Unlocking BMW G-Series keys with Xhorse VVDI2 and BDC2 Adapter, full step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to BobG Motors, your trusted pit stop for everything related to automobile diagnostics and programming. Before we dive in, here's a quick but important note. This video is created purely for educational and informational purposes. Every demonstration you see is designed to help vehicle technicians, enthusiasts, and learners gain a deeper understanding of automobile diagnostics, immobilizer systems, and programming. All content is shared under fair use guidelines, with clips, images, and references included only for review and education. No copyrighted material is used for profit, and every brand or trademark mentioned belongs entirely to its rightful owner. Please remember, always follow your manufacturer's official guidelines and comply with your local laws and regulations whenever you're working on cars. Now, here's something for you. Did you know that the BMW G-Series BDC2 module holds one of the most secure immobilizer systems? But with the right tools, it can be safely read and programmed without replacing the entire module. That's exactly what we're going to uncover today. Comment below if you already know why the BDC2 system is considered so crucial in modern BMW security. I'd love to see your guesses. Also, before we kick off, I need a small favor that really makes a huge difference. Most of you watch the videos regularly, but forget to hit that subscribe button. Subscribing is free for you, but it helps me keep creating guides like this. So let's set a fun challenge. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within the first 24 hours. Drop your thoughts, hit the like button, and if you truly find this valuable, consider hitting that super thanks to support BobG Motors. All right, let's roll into the process step by step. We're about to walk through the exact process of reading BMW G-Series BDC2 IMMO data and generating a dealer key using the powerful Xhorse VVDI2 and BMW BDC2 Adapter. These tools have become essential in the world of automotive locksmithing and advanced diagnostics, so understanding them in detail is key if you're working with modern BMWs. Preparation. What you need before you begin. Let's start with the checklist. You'll need the VVDI2 with the latest software installed to ensure compatibility with newer BMW modules. Then comes the Xhorse BMW G BDC2 Adapter, which is designed specifically for the G chassis lineup. Without it, accessing and reading BDC2 data becomes nearly impossible. You'll also need a stable 12V power supply to power the adapter during the process. If you have an existing working key, keep it handy because it can be used to extract sync data directly. And of course, you'll need a brand new blank key that will eventually become the dealer key for the vehicle. Each of these tools plays a vital role. The VVDI2 acts as the brain, handling the communication, security checks, and programming. The BDC2 adapter provides a bridge to safely access and read immobilizer data from the BDC2 unit without damaging it. And the power supply ensures the module stays live throughout the process, preventing failures during data extraction. Skipping even one of these can leave you stuck midway. So preparation is everything. Step 1: device and BDC2 module connection. First, you'll need to connect the Xhorse BMW BDC2 adapter to the vehicle's BDC2 module. The BDC2 is usually located behind the glove box or within the dashboard area. Once you've located it, you'll see the connection pins. Align the 3 positioning pins of the adapter carefully to ensure a snug and accurate fit. If this step is done incorrectly, the adapter won't communicate with the module. Next, set up your VVDI2 device. Connect it to your laptop or computer using the supplied USB cable. Once connected, link the BDC2 adapter to the VVDI2. Now bring your 12V power supply and connect it to the adapter. When everything is in place, press the power switch on the adapter. A white LED light will turn on, confirming that the connection is successful. This small white glow is your green signal to proceed further. Step 2: reading BDC2 IMMO data. With the hardware ready, it's time to move into the software. Launch the VVDI2 application on your computer and select BMW from menu. From here, navigate to Key Learn and then select G-Series BDC Key Learn. This is where all the magic begins. The first action you'll perform is retrieving the key information. Simply click Get Key Info and give the system a few moments to read data from the BDC2. Once that's complete, select the option Read G-Series BDC2 Security Data. The system takes over here, running an automated process. You won't need to interfere, just allow it to complete the reading cycle. Before moving forward, it's critical to back up the coding data. Using the wiring diagram provided with the adapter, verify your connections once again. Click Next, and then save the backup file somewhere safe on your computer. This file is your safety net. It ensures that even if something goes wrong, you have a complete backup of the vehicle's coding. Once backed up, the system will ask you to enter service mode. Confirm this step, and the VVDI2 will handle the rest. It will automatically read and extract the BDC security data. At the end of the process, make sure to save the security file. This file is the core component required to generate the dealer key. If you lose it, you'll have to start over. Step 3. Generating a dealer key. With the data in hand, exit the BDC reading interface and navigate to the Make Dealer Key option within the VVDI2 software. Load the previously saved BDC key data file into the system. Now, the software will give you two options depending on your situation. If you already have the original working key, click Yes to read sync data directly from it. This is the smoother route since the system can pull data automatically. But if you don't have an original key, don't worry. Simply click No and then manually load the sync data file that you saved earlier. After this step, place the blank new key into the VVDI2 detection coil. Click OK, and the system will begin the process of generating a dealer key. The software will display prompts on the screen, guiding you step by step until the programming is complete. And just like that, success! The blank key transforms into a fully functional dealer key, ready to start the BMW G-Series. This process not only saves time, but also eliminates the need for costly module replacements or dealer-only services. So, what's the real answer to the question we asked at the start? The reason the BMW G-Series BDC2 system is considered so crucial lies in its ability to integrate advanced immobilizer functions, security features, and coding data directly into a single unit. That's why specialized tools like the VVDI2 and BDC2 Adapter are essential for working with it. Personally, I think this process highlights how far vehicle diagnostics and locksmithing technology have evolved. 10 years ago, this level of access and programming was almost impossible without factory-level tools. Today, professionals and enthusiasts have far more affordable solutions at their fingertips. What about you? Do you think these advanced tools are making life easier for technicians, or do they make vehicle systems more vulnerable to misuse? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to hear your perspective. Before we wrap up, here's a quick fun fact. Did you know that the body domain controller in BMW G-Series vehicles not only manages security and keys, but also controls functions like lighting, climate, and even some driver assistance features? It's like the vehicle's central nervous system, which makes it all the more fascinating. All right, let's close things out. If this guide helped you, let's push for our challenge. 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts or experiences. Share this with a friend who works on BMWs, and don't forget to subscribe to BobG Motors for more deep dive automotive guides. Your support means the world to me, and together, we're building a strong community of automotive learners and professionals. Thanks for sticking with me till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy diagnosing.